Okay, thank you and welcome to this meeting here. We wanted to announce three new developments. One is with regard to the increase in rural location allowance to attract good quality staff to come and teach in the remote areas. We have doubled the remote location allowance as approved by the finance minister through the budget. For married couple, the remote location allowance has been doubled from $1,800 per annum to $3,600 per annum. And for single teachers, it has increased from $1,200 to $2,400. So this will encourage more teachers to go to remote areas and contribute towards this profession of education. The second announcement that we wish to make is this year, as announced by the Minister of Finance when the budget was tabled, we will be taking slightly over 500 teachers. We were allocated for 350 new teachers, 100 teachers for secondary school and 250 teachers for primary schools. We are happy to announce that given the vacancies that were there, we have just completed the recruitment of 375 teachers for primary schools and 152 teachers for secondary schools. So we have exhausted all primary school teachers. We basically don't have any primary school teachers out there who are looking for a job. With respect to secondary school, we have taken this 152 in the areas where we have got shortage or we have gaps. So again, we have got 527 new teachers now being recruited into the education system. Of this, 375 will join the primary school system and 152 will join the secondary school system. We are sending most of these teachers to rural, interior and the maritime zone because in this area we have got schools where the numbers are low and therefore particularly primary schools we have got composite classes, so we want to push in more teachers there so that we break this composite class and we have got one teacher teaching one class. So that will take time, but the intention of government is to one, break up composite classes as well as increase teacher to student ratio. Yeah. The third announcement, message that we want to give to the parents and students is that the results that are out are final results and they should accept the results and move on. We have received complaints from students that the marks are not as per the expectation, and we have undertaken or given them opportunity to recount and subsequently recheck if they are still not satisfied. But there's still some students who are not very happy with that. And for one case, a student threatened to commit suicide. So we then invited the student along with the parents and the student's rep. And we appointed an independent panel where the chair was from FNU, Fijian University. For 4 subjects, we appointed 4 panels. We had our chief marker and the student nominated a person from their side, and we found that the marks did not change except for 2 subjects where in one subject the mark changed by 1 mark, in the other subject the mark changed by 3 marks. In the other 2 subjects there was no change. So finally the student realized that she basically didn't perform well. So we want to tell the parents and children that we have a pretty thorough system of examination of their answer scripts, and we want them to accept the results and move on. There are opportunities out there for year 13 students. If their mark is low, they can undertake skill-based programs at FNU or at the technical college. If the marks are high, they can take higher education programs at FNU or the other universities, USP and University of Fiji, or they can again go and undertake skill-based programs such as Certificate 2 in various technical areas at the technical colleges, or higher technical programs at FNU. So we are saying to students that whatever your mark is, it reflects your aptitude in a particular area, and you must find an area which suits your interest and your ability to excel in that particular area. Thank you.